Using question groups in Canvas allows us to randomly pull a set of questions from question banks. By doing this, each student could receive a different test since Canvas is randomly pulling questions from your question bank. This feature, for example, could be used to create a final exam based on previous tests. Now, to use this, you must already have quizzes created or question banks created in Canvas. So here's how we can do that. We're going to create a quiz. We'll choose Classic Quizzes. Let's name our quiz. And then we could put in the normal settings that we would for our quiz. We'll skip that for now, and we'll just go to questions. Now in questions, we're going to click on New Question Group. So we're going to name our group. It really doesn't matter what we name it. By doing this, we can let Canvas pull from several different question banks. So for our purposes today, we'll name this Group 1. And now we need to link to a question bank. So I'm going to click on that, and that will bring us all the question banks up that are in this course. So I'm going to just select a question bank. And now Canvas confirms that questions will be pulled from the bank 13-2. Now we can allow it to pick a number of questions. So let's say we're going to pick 5 questions from this particular bank, and we'll give it 1 point per question. So we're going to now create that group. So now in Group 1, questions will be pulled from the bank 13-2. Now we can continue to add groups. So let's add another question group. So we'll name this question Group 2. And we're going to link that to a question bank. And now we can select a different question bank. So we'll just randomly choose one. Select bank. We'll say we're going to pull 10 questions from this question bank, and we'll leave it at 1 point per question. And now we want to create group. So now questions will be pulled from bank EP 10-1. So by continuing to add groups, we can pull questions from as many question banks as we want and add those questions to this test. Once that's done, we'll click on Save. And now let's preview, see what we have. So now we have our questions that is populating into this quiz that is being pulled from the question banks that we identified in our quiz.